This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. Tributes are pouring in following the death of up-and-coming dancehall entertainer Shaka Dux, who died after he sustained injuries in a car crash in Orakabessa St. Mary on Thursday. It is reported that Dax, whose real name is Jameer Jones, was traveling in a Toyota motor car on Orakabessa Main Road when the vehicle collided with a minibus. The 26-year-old was allegedly trapped in the wrecked vehicle and had to be removed by firefighters. He was pronounced dead at hospital. Shaka Dux was a member of dancehall star Charlie Black's team, Unstoppable Crew. One policeman from the now disbanded Mobile Reserve Unit was found guilty of unlawful wounding, while 4 of his former colleagues were freed of all charges when they appeared in the Corporate Area Parish Court on Thursday. This was in relation to a shooting incident that injured 13-year-old Zoe McCoy, a student of the Convent of Mercy Academy, on June 30, 2016. Corporal Kirk Hay was convicted based on circumstantial evidence, as a spent casing found at the scene was traced back to his weapon, but was found not guilty of perverting the course of justice and misconduct in a public office. His former colleagues, Constables Sean Abrams, Damon Gillespie, Warren Ramsey, and Archibald Wright, were found not guilty on all charges. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says students will return to full face-to-face classes following the midterm break in March. He was speaking in the House of Representatives on Thursday, where he announced further revisions of the coronavirus containment measures. The measures, which included a reduction in the nightly curfew hours, take effect on February 11 and end on February 24. The Prime Minister said that he will announce the resumption of in-person classes when he addresses Parliament in 2 weeks. In regional news, former Prime Minister of Belize, Sir Manuel Esquivel, has died. Esquivel, the country's second Prime Minister, died on Thursday night. He was 81 years old. A government statement announcing his death said that he served as Prime Minister from 1984 to 1989 and again from 1993 to 1998. And in sports, India on Friday pummeled the West Indies by 96 runs in the third one-day international to sweep the series 3-0. Chasing 266 for victory, the West Indies were bowled out for 169 in 37.1 overs, with Dean Smith being the top scorer with 36 and stand-in skipper Nicholas Puran making 34. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.